When installations are all hidden under the tiles, keeping track of them can be a challenge. Simply drilling a few wall anchors into the wall for a new bathroom mirror can cause serious problems. Any drilling can result in having to tear down the tiles and start anew. The WAVIN EKOPLASTIK repair set significantly reduces the need for this time-consuming and difficult work. The repair set is used to repair drilled-through polypropylene pipes with a diameter of 20 mm and larger. The set includes a special welding attachment adapted for this particular purpose and repair sticks for welding the holes in the pipe shut. The repair set works on the principle of fusion welding, and you can use all types of welding machines with rod heating elements for preheating. First, attach the special welding attachment. The attachment remains the same for all pipe diameters and types. The spacer ring on the heating element is used to control the depth of element insertion. Heat up the welding machine to the maximum temperature and wait for at least the second heating cycle. Check the temperature on the attachment. Drill through the existing hole with a 10 mm drill. Clean the newly drilled hole of burrs and debris. If you're repairing a Starby pipe, make sure to shave away the aluminium foil on the edge of the hole with a knife. Mark the insertion depth on the repair stick. The depth is determined by adding 2 mm to the wall thickness of the pipe. Set the spacer ring on the welding attachment at the resulting distance. The drilled hole must be dry and degreased. Use a soft cloth or tissue to dry the surface. For degreasing, we recommend using alcohol. Slowly insert the special attachment element, without rotating it, into the drilled hole while inserting the repair stick into the welding attachment simultaneously. Heat up for 5 seconds. Now, remove the heated repair stick from the welding attachment and slide it into the heated hole. Once again, make sure not to rotate the stick. Check the marking to make sure the depth insertion is correct. Incorrect depth insertion may cause the flow in the repaired pipe to decrease. Do not cut off the remainder of the repair stick until it is fully cooled off. Now you only have to finish minor surface cleanup and the drilled pipe repair is complete. The WAVIN EKOPLASTIK repair set makes everything considerably easier and faster.